So hello guys, you're welcome to the channel. My name is Kingsley Vincent, and in this video I want to be showing you how you can times 100 your money in crypto. Very easy guys. I want to walk you through this step. I don't think there's anybody actually showing you this in the crypto world guys. So all I beg you to do is to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with anyone guys. So if you have not watched my recent video, I've posted video on how you can fund your wallet, how you can open a brokerage account. What I use is Kucoin, Binance and OKX guys. So if you are sticking around with me, I will advise you to get an account for each and every one of these exchange guys. They are reliable and they are good guys, and they work for this our method. You can easily move your money around these three exchanges very easily without a kind of finding it difficult guys. So all you have to do right now is to deposit money into your account. First of all, you watch how to deposit money on Kucoin. Once you have your money deposited on Kucoin, you move it to Binance. That is where you have a new listing. You move it to Binance and you come over to announcement. When you come over to announcement, because that is where you will now see the opportunity for you to buy a coin before it is being listed guys. And they want to list a coin on Binance very soon. That is Portal. Good. So you come over to Portal and this thing is ending very soon guys. So if you are watching this video, you start taking action immediately guys. You start taking action immediately. So you have to do is to go and stake your BNB, because that is why you are going to be changing your USDT to BNB. Once you change it to BNB, you will now come and click on stake BNB. When you stake your BNB, you are going to be rewarded with Portal coin. And when this Portal coin is being released, then you are going to be making some profit with them guys. So you can now see it's almost getting late. This is 2 days to end guys, 2 days. So right now you can now see I have, this is my balance of BNB. All I have to do right now is to come and stake it, and I'll say maximum. When I'm maximum, I now stake my BNB, and you see it's being successfully staked. So all I have to be watching right now is to be watching for my reward guys. So I'll be rewarded with Portal for staking my BNB guys. So that is the concept, and when the Portal is out, all I have to go and do is to go and sell it. So with this concept, you are going to be making a lot of money on the low without taking much risk in the crypto community guys. So if you enjoy this video, I want you to like, share and then comment on the section money. Say something about this video. What is the most interesting thing that you got on this video guys? And if you are here to open an account with any of this exchange at all, I will advise you to use our referral link in the comment section, and also you can join our Telegram channel for more informations like this, more alpha informations like this guys, because we catch like 2, 3, 4, 5 new coin listing every day, and we don't use exchanges that will only allow you to deposit without withdrawing. So we have to know all these things before doing all these things guys. So I want to say a very big thank you for watching this video to this point, and stay blessed.